Good morning, student. Start chapter number 1, activity, page number 14. Page number 14. 1. Which memory will be used for the following? Write P or primary number and S for secondary memory. Okay, memory and S for secondary memory. Okay, primary memory RAM and ROM, your primary memory. Okay, then secondary memory, your hard disk, pen drive, floppy drive, etc. Right. So point number 1, playing a games on a website. Playing a games on a website. Website means internet. Internet through playing game ना, तो इंटरनेट एक्सेसिंग योर रैम एंड रोम. ओके, रैम एंड रोम से एक्सेस होगा इंटरनेट. सो राइट आंसर इज प्राइमरी मेमोरी. ओके, दैट्स प्राइमरी. प्लेइंग ए गेम्स ऑन ए वेबसाइट, तो प्राइमरी मेमोरी, पहले वो प्राइमरी मेमोरी से ही इंटरनेट वर्क करेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, text pen store in text pen store means your secondary memory. Data store is your secondary memory, hard disk, pen drive, etc. to store text pen file. Okay, next point number 3, when we typing in wordpad you we use. Okay, start typing, so go to primary memory, then save, then secondary memory. So ये when we typing start करें. Okay, start the typing, so primary memory use, primary memory, computer use is primary memory. So right answer is primary memory. Okay, next 4, saving a drawing, saving a file. फिर otherwise saving means your secondary storage device. Secondary storage device are hard disk, pen drive and floppy. Saving a drawing. Okay, next explain how to CD is different from DVD. Write your finding in space provide. Okay, next, compact CD full form is compact disc and DVD full form is digital versatile disc. Okay, compact is space capacity 700 MB and DVD space here 4.7 GB. Okay, next, activity number 3, explore and write any 3 difference between pen drive and hard disk. Okay, so start pen drive. Pen drive is the smaller in size. Pen drive is smaller in size. Next, hard disk. Hard disk is large than PD. CD is larger than PD. Okay, next point number 2, pen drive is smallest store capacity, the hard disk. Okay, smaller storage capacity is hard disk and hard disk large storage capacity. Clear? Pen drive, it is the capacity about 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 GB. Okay, it is usually started of 128 GB hard disk. Hard disk is usually started at 128 GB. Okay, then pen drive capacities 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 GB. And next, pen drive generally used daily life for copy and copy and transferring data. Okay, and hard disk used for backup, installation and operating system. So what is pen drive? Pen drive is the smaller in size, okay, and small storage capacity than hard disk is capacity about 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 GB and generally used daily life for the copy and transferring data. And hard disk is the large than PD, large storage capacity hard disk, and it is the usually stored at 128 GB and back, used for backups and installation OS. Okay, clear? Next activity is page number 15. Okay, no, page number is 16. Page number 16, sorry, page number 16, observation and the make the list all the software installation on any computer of the computer lab. For the computer allot to you in lab and also write the purpose of the software. Software TuxPen. TuxPen is a drawing software. The purpose of software for making drawing TuxPen. Okay. Next, software is OpenOffice Writer. OpenOffice Writer, purpose of software for making document. Next software, your Scratch. Sketch for making animation, and MS Office means for making document and presentation. Okay, MS Office purpose of software for making drawing and for making documents and presentation. Okay, next next assignment activity, page number 17. Name the storage device to the store. Okay, 5 movies or game software. 5 movies. 5 movies means one movie is 1.2 GB. So 5 movies at least 6 GB, approximate 6 GB na. So 6 GB large whose amount data store. So store your hard disk. Okay, hard disk is large whose large amount store of data is hard disk, and few song and listening them in car is absolutely pen drive, and pen drive listening them in car. Okay, pen drive and cd also है ना. Or transfer your drawing for one computer to another computer to transfer, so usually pen drive. Right answer is pen drive. Or transfer your drawing for one computer to another computer, answer is your pen drive. Okay, write the number. Write the number of number one alphabet key on the keyboard. Alphabet key means A to Z. Okay, A to write the number of key. Alphabet key on the keyboard A to Z. A to Z. So 26 is alphabet letter, right? Only 26 alphabet key on the keyboard. 26 alphabet key on the keyboard. And next, function key on the keyboard. 12 function key on the keyboard. 12 function key, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total number of key 12. F1 to F12 function key. So 12 function key on the keyboard. And numbers key on the keyboard. 10 numbers keys on the keyboard. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 0 to 9. So total number of key 10. Okay, then combination key मतलब shift key. Combination in shift मतलब shift at the rate and shift plus. Okay, just upper wala symbol, clear. And use key use for give space. Space means two words बीच में space देते हैं ना, space, two words बीच space. तो key used to give space, तो space bar key. Okay, between two word space. Okay, next key with the @ sign 2. Okay, next 4. Key used to alphabet key to write uppercase letter and number key to type special character. So right answer your shift key. Shift key write upper letter and number keys. Okay, next toggle key means caps lock key, nums lock key, then scroll key, just on off key. So toggle key, caps lock on off, num locks on off, that scroll on off. Okay, caps lock on up means capital letter, num locks means numbers, typing numbers, and scroll means page and up and down. Okay, next point number 6, key to restart your computer. Key to restart your computer. To restart computer, shortcut key is Control Alt Del. Okay, computer restart key is Control Alt Del. And what is the output? What is the output that we get from printer called hard copy? Okay, hard copy get from printer called hard copy. Okay, thank you.